Hi, my name is Marla, and I am a patient at the Pierce Clinic, and it has been a very successful journey for me here. I was in a serious automobile accident about 15 years ago. We were rear-ended by a semi-truck in an ice storm, and I had severe whiplash, and I was treated at the time. They told me it might rear its ugly head many years later, and it did. And what happened was I developed very serious neck pain, decreased mobility. I had middle back pain between my shoulder blades. I had some bulging discs happening. I had stenosis in my neck. Eventually that developed into nerve pain in my hands and my feet. And the worst of it was dizziness, which was the end result of all of that. And I was dizzy on a daily basis for over a year. I went on the internet and I looked for the best in the country, and I read a lot about different doctors and different clinics, and that led me to the Pierce Clinic and Dr. Pierce. And I'm going to tear up because he has changed my life. It was almost immediate. I got some relief, and it just got better and better. Over a year's time, I went from dizziness and all of the other pain that I mentioned to practically none. It just went from 75% down to 60%, down to 50%, down to 25%, down to practically 0% in all areas of my pain. So the dizziness went away. The pain in my hands and feet went to virtually non-existent to very little. All of the areas are pretty much pain-free. If I overdo, I occasionally feel something, but that's normal for anybody who's my age, which is 73. And I have regained all of my ability to do as much as I want. I have not had to have an adjustment for 2 years. I see Dr. Pierce when I'm able, which is a couple times a year, and I'm holding. And that in itself is a miracle. And I have grandchildren I'm able to carry upstairs and put into their cribs. It's wonderful. I have a life again. Come and see Dr. Pierce and get an evaluation, and miracles can happen. And all you have to do is believe and be patient, and you'll find the right doctor. And he is amazing. He does incredible work, and he understands what people need. He knows, because of all of his experience, there's an instinct there that is an amazing blessing. And so there is hope. Don't give up. Keep trying, and you will find the right person. And Dr. Pierce is a good place to start.